Hi everybody, I'm Florida Trailblazer, exploring the history and wilderness of Florida. And today I'm out here adventuring in the green swamp located in central Florida. I always enjoy coming out here, roaming around this scenic wilderness, taking in beautiful nature. And there's a lot of interesting history in these areas to experience as well. Long ago there were ranches and old homestead sites all throughout these areas, which today is part of the Green Swamp Wilderness Preserve. Following this pathway into the wilderness towards one of these old ranching areas, we're going to see what we can discover out here. See part of a foundation right here. And back in these woods was an old ranch site at one time. Let's go take a look around. This area would have been cleared out at one time. Probably used to keep livestock here. See another foundation over here. See it right there. Some more traces from the past here. This pathway here leads into a clearing just up ahead. See some concrete right here. This is interesting. This is remains from an old cattle dipping vat. And these were pretty common throughout Florida at these ranch areas during the early to mid-1900s.